Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your TikTok saved videos on PC. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the TikTok apps on in the screen, where you can see your profile picture at top right corner. Just hover over there and you'll be able to see view profile option at top, and you can also see the profile option at left side of the screen. Just click over there and now you'll be redirected to your profile page, where you can see the three sections. One is videos, another is favorite, and last one is liked. So to see the saved videos, you simply need to click on favorites and you'll be able to see your saved videos successfully. So basically this is how you can see your TikTok saved videos on PC. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.